On average, 70% of checkout carts are abandoned. Come back! Shopping cart abandonment is one of the most common problems that plague e-commerce businesses. If you're an e-commerce brand that's looking to sell more products, optimizing your checkout experience is the best place to start. In this video, you'll learn 5 new ways to improve your checkout experience to sell more products. Number 1, display positive reviews and social proof. 5-star reviews and amazing customer testimonials are like rocket fuel to your checkout process.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Hardcore.
Having customers say great things about your product is a great method to convince your visitor when they might be having second thoughts on the checkout page. You can also list big brands you've worked with, publications you've been featured with, influencer endorsements, and anything else you want to show off. You can even show off your following on social media. You can use your checkout page to remind your visitor how reputable your business is. Just make sure you don't over-exaggerate. This toothpaste saved my marriage. Number 2, simplify your checkout. Why would you want to make it harder for your customer to give you money? Take it! No. It may sound ridiculous, but that is exactly what you're doing with a difficult checkout process. You should test out what it's like to buy a product from you. Your user experience may surprise you. Ways to make your checkout experience easier include eliminating unnecessary steps and pages. Don't make your customer re-enter the same information again and again. Let your customer check out without creating an account. Reduce clunky CAPTCHAs and multiple inconvenient security steps. Before you buy this product, tell me what you see. And above all else, avoid the cardinal sin of e-commerce. Making your user create and verify their account and then not taking them back to the checkout page. These are easy wins to help you sell more products. Number 3, be transparent with shipping costs. Man, I can't wait to order this pizza. I have to take out a loan? Don't shock your users by trying to hide how much your item will cost. If you set expectations correctly, you're more likely to convert your customers once they pull out their credit card. Number 4, use exit intent triggers. Exit intent triggers are amazing little pop-ups that you can use as a last-ditch effort before a user clicks off your page. You can use a coupon code, offer 10 to 15% off your product, or just reminds them that this is a special deal that won't last forever. Almost every single e-commerce giant uses exit intent triggers to increase conversion on their checkout pages. There's no reason that this strategy won't work for you as well. Number 5, following up. So, you've done everything perfectly. You've tested and optimized your checkout experience. Your customer experience is now smooth as butter. And they're still leaving. Why do they always leave? All you have left is their email and phone. Wait a second. That's all you need. A vital part about converting visitors is following up with whatever information that you have. In fact, if you're trying to sell more products online, following up with the people who have abandoned their shopping cart is the first thing you should set up. You can follow up with email, text message, and with Manychat, you can use Facebook, Instagram, and a whole host of other platforms as well. You can offer a discount or just a simple reminder that can turn your cart abandoner into a full-fledged customer. It's significantly easier to convert someone who already has an item in your cart than someone who's never heard of you before. You can also use Manychat's buy button within Instagram to enable your customers to buy from you straight from the app. They don't even have to leave the DMs. If you're curious about more ways to improve your e-commerce business, you have to check out this video here. Watching both of these videos is a surefire way to make sure that you're selling more products and growing your brand. If you want to learn more about e-commerce, don't forget to check out the blog posts in our description as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks.